Elderly driving license rules in the UK from September 2025. Key information for drivers over 70. Did you know that from 1st September 2025, the way elderly drivers in the UK renew their licenses will completely change? If you're age 70 or above, or have a parent or grandparent in this category, this update could directly affect your independence and your ability to stay on the road legally. In today's video, we'll break down the new DVLA rules for elderly driving licenses, explain why these changes are happening, who they affect, the renewal process step by step, and what drivers over 70 need to do to stay compliant. Stick with me to the end because I'll also share some practical tips that can save you money, stress, and possibly your license. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss important UK driving license and road safety updates. Why the rules are changing. As people get older, natural changes in health and ability can affect driving. The UK government, alongside road safety experts and medical professionals, has been reviewing this issue for years. Aging effects, vision decline, slower reaction times, and medical conditions can all reduce driving ability. Health risks. Conditions such as diabetes, strokes, heart disease, or cognitive decline increase the chances of accidents. Safety pressure. Families, doctors, and campaigners argued that 5-year renewals weren't enough, as a lot can change in that time for elderly drivers. The policy goal is clear. Spot problems earlier, support elderly drivers who may need treatment or extra checks, and keep UK roads safer for everyone. Key changes from 1st September 2025. The DVLA has confirmed 3 main updates for elderly drivers. License renewal every 3 years. Drivers aged 70 and above will now need to renew every 3 years instead of every 5. This means more frequent contact with the DVLA, but also earlier identification of health or eyesight concerns. Medical self-declaration. At each renewal, elderly drivers must confirm they are medically fit to drive. If you have notifiable conditions like epilepsy, dementia, severe vision loss, or neurological disorders, you must declare them. Possible eyesight checks. If the DVLA receives concerns about your vision, or if you fall into a higher risk category, they may ask for proof of a recent eye test. Together, these measures are designed to balance independence with safety. Who will be affected? All drivers turning 70 on or after 1st September 2025. Existing drivers over 70 when their license comes up for renewal after this date. Drivers of any age with medical conditions that affect safe driving. If you're under 70, nothing changes, unless your health condition requires additional checks. How to renew your license, step by step. The DVLA has simplified the renewal system, so here's what you need to know. Online renewal, the easiest method. You'll need your driving license details, national insurance number, and UK passport. Postal renewal. For those who don't use online services, paper forms remain available. Medical declaration. You must confirm fitness to drive and disclose any notifiable conditions. Eyesight test if required. If DVLA requests it, you'll need to provide proof from your optician. Important reminder, driving with an expired license is a criminal offense. It can result in fines up to £1,000, invalidate your insurance, and may even lead to disqualification. What this means for over 70 drivers. For most healthy elderly drivers, these updates won't be a major obstacle. Many already visit their GP and optician regularly, so the process just formalizes what they're already doing. But for drivers with ongoing health conditions, it's essential to consult your GP before renewing. Failing to disclose conditions can have serious consequences. Fines up to £1,000, insurance becoming invalid, disqualification from driving. In other words, honesty is not only safer, but also legally required. Benefits of the new rules. Some people might see this as stricter regulation, but there are actually clear benefits. Safer roads. More frequent checks mean fewer accidents linked to age-related health issues. Early detection. Spotting medical concerns earlier gives drivers a chance to seek treatment and stay safe behind the wheel. Reassurance. Families of elderly drivers gain peace of mind knowing their loved ones are fit to drive. Support, not punishment. The DVLA stresses that this isn't about taking away licenses, but about helping elderly drivers continue driving for longer, safely and responsibly. Tips for a smooth renewal process. To avoid stress or penalties, here are some practical steps elderly drivers should take. Keep details updated. Make sure your address and contact information with the DVLA are correct for reminders. Book regular checkups. Don't wait until renewal. Keep up with GP and optician visits. Prepare documents early. Have your medical declaration and eyesight results ready. Apply in advance. Don't risk your license expiring. Start the process a few weeks before your renewal date. FAQs. Quick answers. Q. How often will drivers over 70 need to renew their license from September 2025? Answer. Every 3 years instead of every 5. Q. Do I need a medical test? Answer. Not always, but every renewal will require a self-declaration of medical fitness. Some drivers may also be asked for eyesight proof or additional checks. Q. What if I drive with an expired license? Answer. It's a criminal offense. You could face a £1,000 fine, lose insurance cover, and risk disqualification. Final thoughts. The new elderly driving license rules in the UK from September 2025 may feel like an extra step, but they're designed to protect independence while ensuring safety. For most elderly drivers, the process will be straightforward, and by keeping on top of medical checks, they can stay on the road confidently and legally. So, whether you're approaching 70 yourself or helping a parent or relative through the process, the key is preparation. Apply early, be honest about your health, and keep your eyesight in check. That way, you can continue enjoying the freedom of driving while contributing to safer communities across the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on UK driving license rules, DVLA news, and road safety tips.